Alright, this is part 2 of our review for Transformers Animated Leader Class Ultra Magnus, Commander of the Autobot Elite Guard. Just a quick size comparison with another Leader Class figure, which I did a review on just recently. Here is Leader Class Bulkhead. They're about the same in scale on the show. Almost the same. I think, well, the scale is correct because if I remember correctly, I'm not sure, just write down in the comment section below, but I think Ultra Magnus was taller than Bulkhead, and Bulkhead was just a tad bit smaller on the show. I'm not sure. It could be correct in scale, but I like the way they look. I mean, Bulkhead was big, but Ultra Magnus was way bigger than Bulkhead. So I like the scale very much. In alt mode, Ultra Magnus is still bigger than Bulkhead by about the same ratio, same scale. So, okay, let's put away Bulkhead for now. And let's get on with the transformation. Now the transformation is pretty awesome. I mean, it's pretty involved because it's a leader class. It's not as simple as the Megatron leader class Megatron or the Bulkhead. Bulkhead and Megatron, they're quite easy to do. I think, if you ask me, I think both the transformations are just like Voyager class transformations. Megatron and Bulkhead should be like a level 3. This guy should be a level 4. And if you're not careful, you could end up breaking some of the joints. He does have a battle mode in robot mode, which I can probably show quickly. Well, you just raise the cannons, and then you pop open his Gatling guns right here. He's like Roadbuster. I mean, if you have the Roadbuster universe figure, he will look like him in terms of this and the cannons and the shoulder cannons right here. Right here. He's got massive weaponry. Let me see if I can still show you guys. Right there. It's just awesome. I mean, look at this guy. It's like War Machine. Thor and War Machine combined. I mean, unstoppable. But on the show, I didn't see him use a lot of his guns. He just used his hammer, which created a lot of thunder and lightning. And, you know, that was pretty awesome. Right. And the battle mode still works in vehicle mode, which I'll probably show later. But what I need to show you guys right now is a transformation. So let's get him ready for transformation. Just close up everything. Get rid of the hammer right there. Close up the hands. And as always, straighten out the limbs and prepare him for transformation. What's nice about these animated figures, you can get them into a lot of seriously mad poses. I mean, the joints on them are just great. Some figures are just lacking in articulation, but in general, a lot of these animated figures have very good articulation. Okay, in some reviews they discuss the articulation of this figure, so I'm not going to delve into that here in this review. So, let's begin. I've only transformed him a couple of times since I got him out of the box. Should have transformed him some more, but bear with me if I'm very slow and I'm sort of trying to remember how to transform him. Okay, first thing you want to do is, well, straighten out the cannons. I mean, this guy, look at this guy. He's so poised, even in standing position. Okay, what you want to do is straighten out the cannons right there so they're not in the way. Okay, that's the first thing you do. Okay, and then the instruction says to lower the shoulder guard, the shoulder pads, or the shoulder armor. It can be very tricky because the one I have is quite tight. There's like a set of joints right here, hinge joints, which you have to maneuver just so you can put it down. And you have to put it down evenly so that when you transform him, they all lock into place. So, if you will bear with me, you just fold it like so, as close to his shoulder as possible. right there. This is not the best way to transform him, but this is how I do him. So right there, it should look like that. I don't know if you can see it. It should look like that. Very nice, as though he has droopy shoulders. So do the same on the other guy, on the other shoulder. I mean, it's pretty tight. An animated figure that has tight joints. I'll take that anytime. Yeah, I will do that because there is a switch here that somewhere here there's a button that that this thing hits. So every time you hit it, it's gonna make a transformation sound. Okay, open up the panels like so, and then raise his arm. That's what the instruction said. And then raise the reverse shoulder, and that's the button that actually triggers the transformation. There's a button right there somewhere which activates it. Oops. Every time you put up the shoulder, the transformation sign gets activated, which is pretty cool. I don't mind that. I don't mind hearing that over and over. Okay. Okay, let's just leave it like that for now. Oh, okay. Put it down onto his shoulder. Okay. And then raise the cab like so. And raise the other one like so. Oh, sorry. There you go. And then you just tab everything in. Okay, just tab it. It should look like that. I mean, let me just adjust it for you. It should look like that. Cleanly tabbed in. Okay, this video is extending more than it should be. So quickly, just very quickly, join the arms like so. And then fold in everything. Okay, then fold. Just fold all the flaps together, like so. Okay, and then all that's left are the feet. Now, feet are easy. What you do is you just open up the flaps and just unhook the wheels. So, okay. And then move these wheels outward, like so, like that. Okay, and then just move into the side first, and then rotate the wheels as though you would transform a G1. Oh, sorry, the feet in, very easy to do, and rotate it as though you would do a G1 transformer. Just rotate like so. And they will lock into place. Fold the back tail lights, and then fold the other wheels to the front. It should lock in place. There's a tab here and a tab here. Let me just do the other one first, okay? Because this one's easier, I think. Okay. Okay. There you go. How did I do that? Just tab everything in. Okay. Okay. Sorry to say it, but this video will have a part 3 because I took too long in transforming him. But part 3 will be short and sweet, just talking about alt mode. Okay. We'll put this in part 3. But have a look at the truck. Have a look at him in alt mode when he's not in battle mode. That's his plain Earth mode looking truck. Rolls very well if you keep the wheels aligned properly. It's a good military truck, military vehicle, and it's a very compact alt mode, and everything just tabs into place. Okay, so there he is in alt mode, Transformers Animated Leader Class Ultra Magnus. Stay tuned for part 3 of this review. Thanks for watching.